It is Saturday that I am filming this. We have a lot to do today. It looks gloomy and ugly outside, but I just got ready. My mom is actually doing some stuff, and she's supposed to come over, and we are going to Home Goods, maybe Marshalls, maybe Target. Yeah, so I need to get some stuff for a birthday party that we got invited to, and then in between the birthday party and going to the stores, I have to come back and make cookies for church tomorrow, which this will probably be like a 2-day vlog. But yeah, we have the third Sunday of the month, they have food at church, so you bring something, and me and my daughter are gonna make cookies. So I already got everything ready for that right there. So yeah, I gotta get my munchkin ready now. She already ate her breakfast and I already had my drink, so I need to eat something too. My stomach's already wanting to go. As always, I forgot to film. So I failed and I forgot that I was filming again, like always. But my mom's in Aldi, so we ended up going to Home Goods, Marshalls, Ross, Target, and then my mom's at Aldi's. My daughter's kind of over it already. But we've been obsessed with these, and she got this dish with the pineapple. This is their second one of this one now, and I finally got Ravenclaw, right? Yeah, I got Ravenclaw. So I only need like 2 or 3 more. I just don't like getting doubles. So yeah, the other ones are gonna be harder to find, but we'll see. And then I'll show you guys what we picked up in a little bit. So we are back home now. I'm warming up some pizza so that we can eat. Let me quickly show you guys what I picked up. So for me, this was on clearance for $13. Just throwing this out there. Stuff at TJ Maxx, Ross, and Marshalls. A lot of stuff are on clearance. So this was on clearance for $13 for these 2 shirts. I did already get some of these and I really liked them, so I went to go get some more. And then this one was $16. This is a little bit more of a longer shirt. I did still get medium in a lot of these things. This was probably the most expensive. This was $19 for these 2 shirts. I saw these PJs and I thought they were super duper cute. They're shorts and they have pockets, so I got these. They're super soft. I did get a size large for that because I like my pajamas to fit big. This was probably the best deal to me. $12.99 for 2 short sleeve shirts and 1 long sleeve, and they are very, very soft. If you didn't know, Superman is my favorite superhero, so I got this one. Now let's jump into what I got my toddler. Again, these are all the same stores, either Marshall, TJ Maxx, or Home Goods, or Ross. No, we didn't get any Ross. I don't think so. I got her this really cute outfit. Sorry, that's my air fryer. And this was $8. Throw it on the floor for now. This was $10. This was on clearance for $10. This is definitely going to be like in the next year outfit, but I thought it was super duper cute. Got this one for $8. Again, super duper cute. This one is in size 4. This was on clearance for $10. This one was on clearance also for $16, and it's 2 sets of outfits. So it comes with 2 shirts and 2 shorts. This is the biggest reason I wanted to get her some dresses for church. So this one was on clearance for $8. So it's this one and this one deal. This one was probably my favorite, and this was $10. I thought it was a really cute outfit. This will probably be also for next year. This dress set, again, $9. This is just regular price, but yeah, 2 dresses. I love Halloween, so in fall time, so I got that. Again, another good set for $9. 2 dresses. And then this one, which is a little cat. She loves her cats. And this cat, $9 for both. So that is what we got for there. We also did get this for our bathroom downstairs. My mom said mine's rusted. Who cares, right? And then this I got for our upstairs bathroom. Definitely need to switch that out. I went into Target and I did get this because I needed them. And then for my toddler, I picked this up so that we could go when we go to Florida, she can open those on the plane. And then this was only $6.99 for Polly Pocket. And I thought this was really cute for her as well. Debating if I should give that to her now or actually take it for our trip. Don't know yet. And then I did get some things as gifts, but I'm not going to show you that. But I will show you. I got this cute little outfit and this little cute outfit for my best friend because she's having a baby girl in October, and next summer she's gonna be cute. But yeah, that is all I got. I just shouldn't do that so fast. You guys know I need to make cookies. I think I still don't know how to make the cookies. I just like to my husband. Let me call him. Classic. It is the next day. And we are going to Target. We actually already went to church and we made our cookies in the morning because yesterday we ran out of time. So yeah, my daughter had a blast. She loved it. So now we're just walking to the Target to browse. She actually fell asleep right now in the stroller. So I thought I was recording, but I was not. It is already becoming dark outside, and I really want to take off my makeup and call it a night, to be honest with you guys. So we did go to Target, and we went to Marshall's. So at Target, I picked this up for my best friend's daughter. It was on clearance. My husband picked up like 10 of these guys. He loves these, so we got those. What else did we get at Target? We got some garbage bags, and then can you believe it or not, this is the first time we've ever had to buy a iron. So we got that, and then we went to Marshall's and Ross. At Ross, we picked up 3 of these because they're delicious. If you love like tamarindo and like tahin, 10 out of 10. At Target, he actually picked this up. It was $3 for my daughter. At Ross, he got some gloves for work. And then at Target, I picked up these shoes. They were already 20, I believe, which is expensive to me, but I needed some flats and I don't have any, so got these. I also picked up these for my daughter. We don't have dressy-ish shoes, but we kind of need them now for church. And then also at Marshall's, these were on clearance for $16. They're Toms for my daughter. I think they're so cute, and she definitely needed some shoes like this. And then also at Ross, these were $6, reduced price each one. So it comes with 3 pairs of pants, long pants, that she is definitely going to need it coming soon. But yeah, that is all we picked up. I'm really tired. I want to take off my makeup and I want to call it a night already, but we're probably gonna relax and I kind of want to watch Harry Potter. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Leave this emoji right here if you're still here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.